out with a fresh face, no makeup, nothing really applied. And then I get a wet washcloth, sorry there's makeup on the back of that, and I just put it all over my face to make sure I get everything moisturized before I put on the African black soap. After that, I take my African black soap and my spin brush. I got it from Krogers for $6.99. It's pretty cheap. And I'm just going to put the African black soap all over my face, making sure I don't miss any spots. Then I'm going to just take that same wet washcloth and just, it has to make sure that it's warm, and just hold it on your face for about 10-15 minutes. Once that is done, I just wipe off whatever was left over. Then I take my microfiber towel and I just pat my face dry. Then I take my clarifying mud mask and I just put that all over my face. I use this little makeup brush, you guys. I don't know why. I don't like touching my face after I wash it, so I just use that to blend everything. So after that, I'm letting it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm taking the same washcloth again and I'm wiping it off, making sure I don't miss anything. After that, I take my Problem Skin Toner, spray that all over my face. And this part I do use my hands because I did happen to run out of the little things, the white towelettes that you use. So I just blended that all in. Then I take my petroleum jelly from CVS. It's my favorite. Just put it on my lips, make sure they're moisturized and not dry and chapped, because you know we can't have chapped lips out here. Then I take my coconut oil and I just put that all over my face because I like having that shiny glow feeling after you wash your face. It just feels amazing, and coconut oil is good for everything. So I just leave that on my face for a good like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I like pat some of it off because I put too much, but I don't completely wipe it off. I just leave it on my face. I just patted some of it off. Then I take my Problem Skin moisturizer and I put it in the T-zone, which is those 5 spots. Then I just blend it in, and I'm blending it with the coconut oil because it's really good for your face to be moisturized right before you go to bed. Get that nice glow finish at the end. And now I'm just fixing my bun because it was looking a mess. And there you guys go. That was my skincare routine. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.